Yes.
What are you doing?
She's vlogging. Oh.
I'm filming you guys because you're entertaining.
Hi.
I see. I no longer have a person to stare at. This is rather amusing.
Why are you touching my nose?
Because I can. Okay, I think a minute and a half is about as far as I can go.
Thank you.
Are you just gonna like touch everyone's nose or something?
Oh snap! Don't mess with her.
Ooh.
Wait, who? Her? Her. There's a black belt on your butt.
Oh, we do this at the exact same time. Go.
Multiple attackers.
I'm glad I'm over here.
I'm glad I have a camera.
You see what she was staring at me with? Look at her face. How can you do this? But that's a terrifying face.
You're just like, I'ma cut you.
Oh dear. Like those dolls, you know, the ones that like turn, like do move their heads with like sensors. Like,
No,
they have
staring at me
sensors
now.
in it.